Hi grade sixes. So today we're going to be looking at how does democracy support the rule of law. Please follow along with your page. When you come to a blank, make sure you write the bold word in the blank. If you find that it's going a little too fast for you to be able to write the word in the blank, pause the video, write the word, and continue on. All right, let's get started. So, about 800 years ago in England, the king made several rules that he himself did not follow. Many nobles were upset with the king as he taxed, arrested, and punished people for his own reasons, and not because they broke the law. In 1215, the nobles rebelled and forced the king to sign a document called the Magna Carta. The Magna Carta introduced the rule of law. The rule of law means that everyone, no matter how important they are, has to obey the law. So we're going to read the Magna Carta paragraph on your page and then answer the questions. All right, so your paragraph on your page says, the Magna Carta protected the rights of individuals in England long ago. One important idea from the Magna Carta is still part of our charter today. It protects the rights of a person who is arrested. The person must be told why they have been arrested and must be brought in front of a court and charged with a crime within a reasonable amount of time. So the question you need to answer is, why is this rule necessary in a society? Please make sure that your answers are in complete sentences. They start with a capital, they end with a period, and you are using detail. When you are finished, please hand it in.